Alright everybody, this is Green Tea Farms in here. My first time seeing actual green tea. We got some more coming up here. Right here. Famous Japanese green tea from Kagoshima. Right there. At Mi Ike, probably another 15 or so minutes. It's actually a volcano, and I'm at Lake Mi Ike in Myazaki Prefecture, Kyushu. And there's where the campground is straight ahead. So we're gonna go ahead. I just wanted to get this side of the mountain here. I had originally planned to stay on top of the mountain there. There's a campground, but it's still 0 degrees at night. It's freezing cold up there. And there's a lot of geothermal poisonous gases that's coming out all the time, so I opted to stay at this campground, and we can do some fishing, and at least I don't have to worry about breathing a bunch of poisonous gases and whatnot. So, and it's not freezing cold down here on the bottom. Alright, this place over here is available for rent. I think it was only 6,000 yen a night. It's about 40 bucks. It's right here on the lake. So nice, these broadleaf trees. Up in the north it's more Japanese sugi, cedar and pine trees and things, but up down here it's way different. Beech nut, oak, and maple. Yeah, I'm definitely going to shine my spotlight tonight in here and see if we can't get us a momonga, Japanese flying squirrel. If we can't shine one and see one, that would be pretty cool. But yeah, just a trailer cedar wood siding. Looks pretty simple. They just got the frame made, and then you got dual air cons, hot water right there, a little deck. Pretty nice to rent. Some of the wildlife they have here. Anakuma, badgers, inoshishi, wild boar, and some shika, some deer. And then, like I said earlier, this is a wild bird forest. It's a sanctuary designated as a government protected area, so there's lots of wildlife in here. Well, let's go ahead and get us a little fire going here. It's already starting to cool down quite a bit. You guys know I always like to bring my this little burlap threading here that's great for starting a fire. I just unravel it best you can. Just so you can make a little, like a little bird's nest with it, so it's nice and soft like this. It sure is a nice place sitting here with this lake view, cool mountain air. I like the warmth of a fire going here. We'll move these off to the side. Okay. Striker. Just like that. Just do it hard one time, a couple times, and there it goes. good Kagoshima beef. Well guys, it's getting late. I'm very tired. We traveled for the last couple days and good drive here this morning, so that's it. I'm gonna go ahead, make the bed, get some rest, and first thing in the morning we're going bass fishing. Well, if anybody's wondering what the bed looks like at night, this is basically it. It's a little chilly up here tonight, so we got the old fleece blankets out, but anyway, yeah, it makes a full 6 feet, a little over 6 feet. So anyway, it's really comfortable. I got the futon. That's a big Agnes air mattress there. That's really super quiet, and it doesn't move when the other person moves. It doesn't launch you up into the air and whatnot. So it's super stable and quiet, and this is it. It's not quite full size, but it's perfect for us to completely sleep in a natural position, and it's soft and quiet and comfortable. Alright guys, y'all know how I like to do it. The first sip is always the best. Look at that beautiful lake view. Cup of coffee. Getting ready to do some bass fishing here in a minute, but here we go. Let's capture that sip. Oh man, this is great. Oh yeah, let's get a little bit of breakfast going. Nothing like some little sausages and some eggs out here on the water. And then we gotta pack up and get going and head off to the next place. Alright, nothing like a breakfast like this outdoors with a view like that one behind me. Here it is, here we go. Oh my god. Good butter from Hokkaido, northern Japan. Eggs from around here, and then super good Alright, we're packing up out of here, guys. Next, we're headed to Takachiho Gorge, about 2 to 3 hours north of here. It's one of the most beautiful places in Japan. Make sure you guys just keep following me as I upload the videos. You can see our entire trip all the way to the north, headed to Aomori Prefecture. Takachiho Gorge in Myazaki, Kyushu. Near Kumamoto here in about maybe 30 minutes.